Okay, guys, would you please give applause for Kursiawati? Yeah, Kursiawati, you done well. I love the way you present your own business plan. Ya, Bapak suka dengan cara bagaimana Kursiawati menyampaikan rencana bisnisnya. Ya, ini ada beberapa feedback ya yang Bapak catat di sini untuk Kursiawati. Overall, you did a good work. Ya, secara keseluruhan tadi sudah bagus Kursiawati itu. Nah, ini yang Bapak catat, ini yang Bapak senang nih diantaranya. Firstly, you explain clearly about your own business plan. Tadi menjelaskan rencana bisnisnya juga jelas ya. You're going to make You're going to make a cilok. Ya. Pengen buat cilok katanya gitu. Nah, ini kalau Bapak boleh kasih saran dikit, why don't you find a unique name for your product? Ya, cobalah cari nama yang unik lagi tuh untuk produk ciloknya Kursiawati. Misalkan cilok manis rayuanmu, misalkan gitu. Gitu. Itu jadi supaya apa? Supaya your product ya can attract people attention. Ya. Jadi produk kita itu bisa menarik perhatian orang lain gitu. Dari namanya sudah apaan sih? Ada-ada aja nih, coba kayak gimana sih rasanya gitu kan. Cilok manis sang atau ya apa ya, cilok manis rayuanmu misalkan gitu atau apalah gitu namanya yang memang bikin orang jadi penasaran gitu. Ya. Oke, kemudian yeah, it's very interesting. Yeah, your material design of your PowerPoint template was very interesting. Why did I say it was very interesting? Kenapa saya katakan ini sangat menarik? Tadi ada beberapa poin yang Bapak catat di sini. Di antaranya adalah your PowerPoint design was attractive. Tadi PowerPoint desainnya sangat atraktif sekali ya. Bagaimana Kursiawati memanfaatkan atau memaksimalkan media yang sudah ada dalam software PowerPoint. Seperti hyperlink tadi ya, tinggal klik, nyambung kemana, gitu ya, sudah bagus. Terus, you try to describe systematically the process of making your product. Tadi juga secara sistematis sudah menjabarkan bagaimana proses pembuatan produk cilok. Nah, itu sudah bagus. Dan tadi juga sudah dilengkapi dengan analisis SWOT. Ya, you try to elaborate analysis SWOT very clearly. Sangat jelas tadi ya, sampaikan oleh Kursiawati. Thank you, Kursiawati. Now we go to Ainun Novayanti. Get ready yourself. Please, Ainun, you are now a host.
Sudah kelihatan semua ya teman-teman? Sudah kelihatan, Pak?
Ya, sudah. You're going to have a pisang coklat again? Oh, bukan. Takut mau promoin pisang coklat lagi.
Saya mulai ya, Pak ya?
Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ainun Novayanti. I'm from University Serang Raya. Pak, ulangin Pak, nervous.
Ya, keep going please. Lanjutkan, Bapak ngambil kertas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ainun Novayanti. I'm from Accounting University Serang Raya. Semester 2 and my class is R2B1. In this time, I will present about business plan. There are 4 points, so I will discuss, namely the first, what is a business plan? The second, what business will I do? The third, why did I choose this business? And the last, how the market segmentation. Let's go to point 1. What is a business plan? What is a business plan? A business plan is a written document that describes in detail how a business will achieve its goals. Usually, this business plan is created by a new business. It lays out a written plan from a marketing, financial, and operational point of view. Let's go to the next slide. What choose business will I do? Previously, did you know about Richie's Factory? Yeah, I have a business plan to buy a Richie's Factory franchise and I will open it in Cilegon. Richie's Factory is a fast food restaurant chain from Indonesia with the main menu of fried chicken and cheese owned by PT Richie's Kuliner Indonesia, a subsidiary of Kaldu Sari Nabati. Richie's Factory opened its first outlet in Parisan Java Shopping Center Bandung on February 8, 2011. Let's go to the next slide. Why did I choose this business? I choose this business because in my city there is no Richie's Factory and I have a desire to buy the franchise. Before running the business, I will definitely do a SWOT analysis first. Here are the results of the SWOT analysis that I have been thinking about. The strength lies in the concept, namely by creating a cheese-based product. Weakness requires quite a lot of capital to buy the franchise and the product price is less affordable. Opportunity. The opportunity is quite large because in Cilegon there is a cheese factory and there are not many places to eat that use cheese and basic ingredients. Weakness, new competitor from outside and within the country who come and invest in Indonesia will become competition for exciting products. Market segmentation. Market segmentation is the division of group of buyers who have different needs, characteristics, or different behaviors in a particular market. The following is the Richie's Factory segmentation. Richie's Factory targets all people from children, teenagers, adults to families. They can all spend time enjoying the food and drink that is being provided by Richie's Factory with their loved ones. Okay, we have arrived at the final slide. It's time for me to close my presentation. That's enough from me, more or less sorry. Thank you and see you in next my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, would you please give applause for Ainun Novayanti? I do appreciate for your great work, Ainun Novayanti. You did your presentation very well. Apa senang tadi, bagus. Ya, menarik sekali tadi yang disampaikan oleh Ainun. Okay, I'd love to give you some feedbacks. Would you be so kind to listen carefully? Overall, you did a very good presentation. Why? Because you tried to the way you deliver your intro, before you began your presentation was very good. Jadi intronya juga sebelum memulai presentasi sudah bagus. You try to explain your business plan very clearly tadi, menyampaikan rencana bisnis juga sangat jelas sekali. Mulai dari definisi business plan-nya apa, kemudian saya mau berencana ingin membuat bisnis apa. Tadi ada satu poin yang Bapak coba kutip di sini adalah you're going to have a franchise. Sepertinya ingin membuat satu franchise ya. Betul ya Ainun ya? Ya, franchise dari merek ke Richie's Factory. Ya, Richie's Factory itu apa namanya? Masakannya itu kebanyakan olahannya dicampur keju kalau nggak salah ya. Ya, Nun?
Iya, Pak.
Ya. Chickennya juga ada chicken rasa keju gitu ya. Nah, itu Bapak pernah cuma sekali sih ke Ricis Factory itu yang ada di itu tuh yang di yang di Muara ke Ciracas itu loh, Nun. Kalau yang di Serang yang arah Ciracas. Kalau di Cilegon belum ada ya? Emang di Cilegon belum ada, Nun?
Belum ada, Pak. Nanti
Oke.
insya Allah ini buka.
Nah, ini bosnya ini nanti nih Ricis Factory Cilegon nih. Amin. Nah, itu jadi
Allah.
kalau Bapak nanti ada rute ke Cilegon, Nun.
Mampir, Pak.
Nah, kantor buka, buka Pak. Pasti mampir lah. Tapi saya nggak mau gratisan lah, saya nggak mau. Ya, saya harus bayar. Orang lagi usaha, saya nggak mau gratis. Kecuali mahasiswa saya pengertian gitu. Kalau pengertiannya bagus. Kiara, betul nggak Kiara? Bapak nggak salah ngomong kan? Benar nggak? Benar. Didukung sama Kiara.
Betul, Pak, betul.
Iya kan? Gua nggak mau gratisan. Nggak ada gua wajah-wajah gratisan tuh. Ya, kecuali
Ini
mahasiswa
ya,
saya
Pak.
pengertian gitu. Oke. Nah, ini yang Bapak juga senang tadi ya, Bapak menyimak apa yang disampaikan Ainun itu. I heard that you try to use transitional word of presenting your own material designs of PowerPoint template. Jadi sudah menggunakan transitional words. Apa Pak yang disebut dengan transitional words? Jadi, well, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the last slide, gitu kan? Nah, kita masuk di slide yang terakhir tadi itu sudah bagus ya. Ya, itu bagus tuh. Jadi kita boleh gunakan itu yang kita sebut dengan transitional words, ya, atau sentence connectors kalau dalam bahasa Inggris itu ya. Jadi penghubung kalimat dari slide satu ke slide kedua itu harus ada bahasa penghubungnya gitu loh, Nun. Saula ya, paham ya? Misalkan kita udah beres nih PowerPoint pertama nih gitu. Apa slide pertama nih. Ya, kita beralih ke slide yang kedua dan ketiga itu bagaimana gitu. Itu ada bahasa apa namanya bahasa pengantarnya lah kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Sentence connectors atau transitional words. Ya, bagus. Ainun dan Kursiawati sudah bagus. Ya, lebih bagus nih. Kita beralih ke Kiara. Silakan Kiara.
Pak, punten, tapi laptopnya nggak bisa. Dari Diska boleh nggak, Pak? Kiara udah ngirim filenya ke Diska.
Ke siapa? Oh, Saula. Iya ya. Ya, nanti
Iya,
berarti Bapak buat hostnya ke Saula ya.
Oke, Pak. Terima kasih.
You're welcome. Saula, would you be so kind to help your friend? Atau Kursiawati nanti boleh nitip dagangan ke Ainun tuh ya. Dia udah punya franchise tuh, which is
Udah
factory.
muncul belum, Pak?
Udah muncul.
Nih.
Udah muncul.
Boleh mulai, Pak?
Ya, please.
Ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. Today I want to presentation about my business plan. Before I presentation my business plan, I want to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Kiara Nayolia. I'm from accounting R2 B1, and today I want to presentation my business plan is potato chips quiz. This is my imagine if I have the product, the flavor of the product. I have 5 flavor. original, spicy, barbecue, seaweed, and sweet. Why potato? Why potato chips? The business development of the snack category is fast in Indonesia. As evidence, many variation and brands of product categories snack on the market. Consuming like food is part of the culture of life in Indonesia, and various types of snack traditional developed in Indonesia. The most popular types of snack are various types of crackers and chips. Some analyses even show that stress due to the economic recession actually encourage the consumption of snack. Phenomenon this is also what causes snack products are often referred to as impulse products. Snacks are consumed not because of hunger, but because impulse to snack. That's why I'm interested in doing business plan about potato chips for many reasons. One of which, and then SWOT analysis. Next, SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis. The first strength is the quality used for each material is of good quality, different size of well, and various flavor. And the second, we are a new potato chips product company business, and we don't have the financial capacity to compete change potato chips production companies who are already determining the direction of the market as it relates to the sale and supply of potato chips across the globe. And the opportunities is the product can be enjoyed by various groups from young to old. And the trade this potato chips go is just like any other business. One of the major threats that we are likely going to face is economic downturn, like in the current situation. And next, our sales and marketing strategy. This business to operate a standard potato chips production company in all various stages. We are in the snack food production, fast food industry to maximize profits, and we are going to go all the way out to ensure that we achieve our business goals and objectives. In essence, our source of income will be the retailing and supply of well-packaged potato chips. And our target is a business plan potato chips food is one thing about potato chips and similar product is that you can hardly find someone who don't patronize them. As a matter of fact, it is difficult to enter the standard market or grocery without buying potato chips. In view of that, we have positioned our potato chips production company to service or supply supermarket, grocery store, and other outlets. Our target is supermarket, grocery store, household, student, and other outlets. And the last, this is my business plan about the potato chips food. You can be contact us in here, and you can find me in our social media at potato chips food. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Kiara Nayolia. Guys, would you please give a big applause to Kiara Nayolia? You did a great work, Kiara. Well, I'm
Thank you,
speechless
Pak.
actually. Bapak agak sedikit speechless malam ini. Alhamdulillah ini sudah bagus-bagus semua ini. Ya. I do believe that you have got a very well prepared. Ya. Saya sudah persiapan yang sangat matang ya. Kiara, I'd love to give you some feedbacks. Yeah. Here you try to begin your intro with a good manner. Tadi intronya juga dengan cara yang baik. You try to explain your business plan clearly. Tadi juga memang sudah menjelaskan rencana bisnis sangat jelas. Ya, you are going to make a potato, ya, potatoes chips, ya, with some various atau with various flavors, some flavors atau various flavors. Dan punya snack ya atau meals ya, makanan ringan gitu ya, Kiara.
Betul,
Dengan berbagai macam dengan berbagai macam rasa. Ya, itu sudah bagus ya. Banyak rasa lah sebetulnya. Tapi kalau kita perhatikan di supermarket itu kan teman-teman pasti sering nemuin rasa keju ya, rasa
Iya.
apalagi rasa peppers ya, maksudnya chili peppers gitu yang pedas-pedas gitu kan, original gitu. Nah, kenapa enggak Kiara coba bikin potato chips rasa apa ya, rasa coklat misalkan gitu ya, rasa jahe merah misalkan gitu. Nah, belum ada tuh ya. Ya kan, jadi
Iya.
sambil makan ciki gitu kan juga apa namanya, ada vitamin yang kita dapatkan gitu. Nah, itu boleh berinovasi ya. Itu boleh berinovasi. Ada. Makanya mungkin tadi kalau boleh Bapak berikan saran sedikit, mungkin di satu slide ya, apa namanya, Kira menyampaikan I'd love to do some observation deeply on how the way we produce potato chips that we are going to make gitu. Jadi saya ingin coba membuat satu terobosan-terobosan baru dalam memproduksi potato chips ya, sebagai produk unggulan kita gitu. Apa sih produk unggulan kita? Oh, ternyata potato chips yang punya varian rasa dan ada rasa khusus gitu. Misalkan tadi itu yang Bapak sampaikan ya, potato chips rasa jahe merah misalkan, potato chips rasa kopi misalkan gitu kan, belum ada tuh ya, ciki rasa kopi gitu. Oke, bagus ya. Kemudian you put your information on your slide with well organized, di informasi yang disampaikan dalam slide PowerPoint itu sudah tersusun dengan baik ya, tadi mulai dari Kursiawati, tadi Ainun juga sudah sama ya, seperti itu. Ya, I'd love to say that you try to mention your marketing strategy clearly. Tadi juga memang menyampaikan strategi marketingnya juga jelas. Tadi mulai saya pengen coba menyisir supermarket gitu kan, groceries, kemudian household. Teman-teman tahu household? Rumah-rumah ya, household itu ya. Ini kita door to door mungkin ya cara maksudnya ya. Itu bagus ya Bapak. Ya. Kemudian tadi yang Bapak suka juga di terakhir, you put your contact ya, your contact, personal contact for further information. Jadi untuk informasi berikutnya gitu kan, boleh kita sampaikan apa namanya, nomor kontak atau nomor personal kontak kita. Bagus Kiara, good. Kita lanjut ke welcome. Kita lanjut ke Sabtu dulu ya, nanti baru ke Saula ya.
Baik, Pak.
Silakan Sabtu ah. Bapak buat host dulu sebentar. Ya, silakan Sabtu ah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, Imam and all my friends, Class B1 Accounting. Good evening.
Sorry, good evening. Good evening. We're so sorry
Okay.
because you are in mute.
My name is Sabtua. I'm student from University of Serang Raya. Here I will explain about my business plan. The name of the company is twinstore.co, which is engaged in fashion, Muslim, hijab, and clothing. The reason chose this business because one, for now the fashion world is one of the most promising and endless business. Two, variety of Muslim clothing and hijab with a variety of the interesting creativity. The demand for hijab and Muslim clothing increasing day by day because more and more Muslim women are familiar with the hijab trend. The majority of the population in Indonesia also embraces Islam. This is an opportunity for us to open this business. And the social benefit I expand is we can make one of the jobs so as to reduce employment in Indonesia. We can socialize with many people towards buying and selling transaction with excellent service. We can contribute to the development of Muslim fashion styles in Serang, Banten, Indonesia, and internationality. My vision of the opening this business is the become a company that produces unique hijab and Muslim knick-knack that are most popular in Wanda community. My mission is one, produce unique hijab and Muslim clothing. Two, make a hijab model that is different from a competitor. Three, always expand the distribution area of Muslim marketing in place that can be accessed by customer. And my goals of opening this business for short time, increase creating product that can look stylish and fashionable. For a long time, because a hijab and Muslim clothing company that is famous throughout Indonesia, can I sell 10,000 products in a week? Can opening my leading branches and malls. SWOT analysis. Strength. Hijab product and Muslim clothing made with unique shapes and seam elegance. Customer can also design according to their own character and will. Very comfortable to us and reality available price. Weakness. There are so many hijab and Muslim fashion products business is every area and they are also popular. Don't have enough experience to start a business. Two opportunities, the number of people who ask hijab in first style with our product, it will be more fashionable to dress Muslim and wear hijab. This product is not generic, so I can select and be done every time. For that, worrying from of that is that many competitors can work with actors to promote this product to general public. Well, we do not have much experience. Okay, production process for hijab. Make a hijab pattern, cut the material according to pattern, first wrap the material that has been cut, and rubber is sewn with a sewing machine. For Muslim clothing, make a pattern for Muslim clothing, cut the material according to pattern. First, wrap the material that has been cut and rubber is sewn with a sewing machine and decorate. Production process. The following table shows the production plan for the first month. The first week for 200 meter material will be 100 pieces of Muslim clothing. For 170 meter material will be 100 piece hijab, and will be the same as the third and fourth week. So the total material used for 100 piece of Muslim clothing is 800 meter, and the total material for 400 piece of hijab is 680. And Muslim clothing is top, bottom, outer, and dress. Okay, next, material equipment and purchase plan. For item, the material needed in the manufacture of hijab and Muslim clothing are basic materials, good purchase plans. The plan to purchase good will be carried out after all planning for the process in making hijab and Muslim clothing is complete. Direct labor plan. For the plan for direct labor need 11 works and need to help the process of making hijab and Muslim clothing. In the future, if the demand from the product increase, freelance and temporary works will be added to help. For equipment and supplies, manufacturing hijab and Muslim clothing are sewing machine, needle, cutter, measuring device, ruler, reader, scale, scala, rubber, table, chair, computer, writing supplies, paper, yarn, and chalk, red or blue. For place in the business of making hijab and Muslim clothing, their please are needed from the place for the place of the three process. One from cutting parents or material and rubbing material. Two,
Papua, can we
room
make it
for
quick,
sewing,
please?
room for packing this and sell. Facility, the main facility needed for the manufacture of hijab and Muslim clothing are excellency and water facility. Marketing plan for product hijab and Muslim clothing that are market will be labeled with our brand, namely twinstore.co, and wrapped in plastic to make it look exclusive. For price, one product of hijab will be sold starting one promotion at Friends Media Portal, pamphlet, and brochure, internet, Facebook, Twitter, blog, Instagram, Line, or YouTube. Sales promotion through bazaar event, for example, exhibition or campus, mall, etc. Personal selling promotion through direct sales from customer on friends. Placement of sales Serang Rau Trade Center. Sales placement plan, opening cooperation with people who want to become reseller, opening a stand at the mall, selling and promotion via internet. For our company is twinstore.co. If you want to know more about our company, you can visit our store address and our website, and you can contact us by phone.
Hello, Sabtua? Are you still in? Hello? Halo, Sabtua? Guys? I think she's got a trouble with the connection. Mungkin Sabtu sedang bermasalah dengan koneksi kali ya. Oke. Baik, no problem. Saula, unfortunately we've got 3 minutes remained. Bapak minta mungkin dengan kerendahan hati teman-teman semua, bolehkah kita masuk lagi untuk Saula Diska? Boleh ya? Pak, biar nggak ada PR minggu depannya, soalnya ini tinggal teman-teman yang jarang masuk di Zoom aja nanti yang suruh presentasi kan gitu ya. Oh, laptopnya tiba-tiba mati. Sabtu. Ya udah nggak apa-apa deh. Ini feedbacknya Bapak tahan dulu. Sekarang kita beralih ke Saula. Yeah, we're coming back to this virtual Zoom video conference because we've got only 2 minutes remained. So I'll be very what is it? Yeah, I'm expecting you to rejoin the virtual class. Yeah, after this time limit end. Nanti kalau time limit ini selesai, nih kita masuk lagi ya teman-teman ya untuk Saula Diska. Special for Saula Diska.